If you are someone who has been chasing growth, not just in your bank account, but in your life. Maybe you are tired of working paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you want freedom, freedom over your time, freedom over your resources, freedom over your mind. And yet, every time you look for the answers, it feels like everyone is selling you a dream or hand a perfect system which somehow works for them but never quite works for you. I'm not here to selling your course. I'm not here to sell your ticket, but I want to tell you why systems which made by others work for them but not for you. I'm here to tell you how to make systems, how to make a growthful habits which works for your financial systems, which can solve the problems of your finance, which can solve the problems of your life. You have been here before. You watch a YouTuber or an influencer, they always present you, they always tell you their system, their routine, their habits, and you think that if you just follow their routine, their systems, you will be there where they are, you will be successful like they are. But when you try, it never worked, and I'm telling you that it will never work for you. So you try it, maybe works for a little while. Soon enough, it fizzles out, something changes, something goes wrong, and you are stuck again. You don't know what just happened, you don't know why just that happened. You can't fix it because you never made it. But let me be honest with you, you were never the problem. The only problem was the choice you have made. Because no system which is created by someone else will never be fit in your life. But here's a secret people rarely talk about. Successful people, they never buy the system, they never adopt the system from someone else. They build a system for themselves, which fits in their life, which fits in their businesses. And another truth is they never build that system in a week, in a day, in a month. They experimented, they tried, they failed, they adjust, they fix because they know where their system fails. They know their weak points. They built something which may look messy at first, but it was their system. And because it was theirs, they understood it and could improve it over time. That's why when things go wrong, they are able to fix it. When things change, they adapt. When things stop working, they evolve. Because they are not following the path, they are creating one. So, what this means for you, your personal growth, stop looking for the perfect system because there is no perfect system and there is no need for it. So, what you need is working system that you create that aligns, that fits with your pace, with your values, with your mind, with your life, with your financial goals. You want to be mentally strong, emotionally balanced, financially stable, and spiritually fulfilled. It's the same principle here, so don't adopt a daily routine which works for someone else. Don't force yourself into the habits that feel like punishment to you. Try waking up early. If that does not work, find the rhythm that does. Try journaling, meditating, reading, learning a new skill. I know everything will not stick, and that's completely fine. But every time you try, you learn. Every time you build something, you will have clarity. You will know what ways are not optimal. And over time, you will build your unique system which only works for you and which will be very optimal for your life. And that's the real freedom. Here is the real shift. Don't aim for the perfection, aim for the ownership. Because when you own your time, you own your progress, you own your growth, you own your process. You stop for someone to come and save you. You start becoming the person who can build, who can fix, and who can grow on your own terms. What about the success? What guarantees the success? Success will be the byproduct of your habits, which you have just grown, which you have just built by experimenting. So stop chasing someone else's formula. Start making your own. Not because it's easy, but because it's the only path worth walking. And if you are building your own system for your life, for your growth, for your financial goals, you are ahead of time. You will almost outperform an average person in your circle, in your surroundings.